In this video, I'll be showing you how to place front sway bar end links on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're going to locate our hubcap and wheel. Remove the hubcap by just pulling it off and set it aside. We're going to locate 5 19mm lug nuts, holding the wheel down. Remove these as well. If they are stuck, just rethread them on and work your tool free. Remove the wheel and set it aside. With our wheel removed, we now have access to our sway bar end link. The top mounting position is on the strut and the bottom on the sway bar itself. We're going to start off by removing our top nut, which is a 15mm. Since ours is very rusty, I'm going to spray some penetrating fluid to aid in removal. Do the same for the bottom. Using an 18mm wrench, I'm going to support the back side of the sway bar end link so our stud does not spin. If your sway bar does not have a cutout for the wrench, you could also use some locking pliers. Remove the wrench and your fastener. We'll do the same for our bottom fastener. It is also a 15mm, but due to the space constraints, I'll be using a ratcheting wrench instead. Break it free. If it's also spinning, you could secure it with your wrench as well. Let's set the bottom fastener aside as well. I'll pull out the sway bar link from the sway bar and the strut. And there it is. Now let's install our sway bar end link. Slide it through the bottom portion and the top portion. Make sure the stud goes in straight. If it does not, push it down to align it. Align your ABS wire bracket as well, and hand throw down your fasteners. Secure the stud with your wrench. And snug it down using your 15mm. Do the same for the top as well. We're going to both torque these down to 35 foot-pounds. Same for the bottom. We're going to reinstall our wheel. Now make sure it's flush and hand thread on your fasteners. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. With our vehicle on the ground, we're going to torque our 5 fasteners to 100 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. We're going to reinstall our hubcap, align the cutout on the hubcap with the valve stem on the rim. Once they're aligned, push down on all sides. Ensure it's flush. And that completes our install. Take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.